Hi everyone, so I'm explaining the Texas Realtors information about property insurance for buyer or seller. So basically what this says is a buyer should quickly get a quote for insurance. And the reason is there are several factors that go into the cost of insurance. Now, most of the time when a buyer needs a mortgage, they will be required to have insurance. That being said, it has to be reasonably priced insurance normally in order to have them still qualify. Now, there's different factors that come into play. The amount of coverage, the extra items that you want to add on there, and your deductible. So it's very important to get a quote right away. The other thing is the insurance company will run what's called a CLUE report. It stands for Comprehensive Loss Underwriting Exchange. It's kind of like a central database, and I usually explain it like it's kind of like a Carfax, but for home insurance. So if the seller has filed an excessive number of claims or any large claims, it'll show up in there. So for example, if a homeowner was burglarized 3 times within the span of 6 months, then it could make getting insurance extremely difficult because then the house is considered a high risk. Or let's say they had a roofing claim, which is the most common type of claim that we see. It'll show that they got money for a roof. Now, if the seller actually didn't use that money for a roof, then that could cause a big problem because first of all, it's considered insurance fraud. But secondly, the next mortgage insurance company that wants to get a quote for insurance is going to have a tougher time being able to insure the roof because the new roof was not put on if the seller did not do that with the money. So it's very important to get a quote, make sure you get different types of coverages, and make sure that it is affordable. So that's what this says in a nutshell. The seller can also go to the website listed under paragraph C3 to get a copy of their CLUE report as well. And then of course, make sure that you file for the insurance. So I hope this helps.